Welcome to Excelsior Hotel Gallia here in Milan. This hotel is known for elegance, amazing service, and a mix of classic Italian charm with modern luxury. From the moment you step inside, you feel that you are in a special place. If you enjoyed this video, smack the like button, and if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing as we bring you more travel videos like this. Let's get started. Let us start with the lobby. The lobby is stunning. High ceilings, marble floors, beautiful lighting, and a calm atmosphere that makes you feel welcome immediately. It is the kind of lobby where you stop for a moment just to take in the details. The check-in process was smooth and simple. The staff greeted us with kindness, answered every question, and made sure everything was set up for our stay. It was fast, professional, and felt very personal. Next is the pool and spa area. This is the place where you disconnect. The pool is serene, the spa has different relaxation rooms, and the whole space feels like a retreat away from the busy city. If you need a break, this is where you go. The gym is modern and well equipped. You can get a full workout in easily. They have cardio machines, weights, and plenty of space. I love when hotels take fitness seriously because it makes traveling smoother. Breakfast at the Excelsior Hotel Gallia is an experience. Fresh pastries, hot dishes, fruit, cold cuts, cheese, and great coffee. And one thing that made this stay even nicer is that breakfast was included as a Marriott Bonvoy Platinum member. It is a small touch that goes a long way, and it made mornings here feel even more special. Now let's talk about the Rooftop Bar. This is one of the highlights of the hotel. The view over Milan is beautiful, especially during sunsets. It is a relaxing space where you can enjoy a drink, take in the skyline, and appreciate the city from above. It has a calm vibe, great ambience, and it adds something special to the stay. Now let me take you to our room. We're staying in a king bedroom and it has a perfect blend of comfort and style. The bed is large and welcoming. The sitting area gives you space to relax or work. And one detail I really appreciate is the workout bike in the room. It makes it easy to stay active without ever stepping outside. The bathroom is polished, clean, and elegant. Great shower pressure, beautiful finishes, and everything is well presented. Overall, the Excelsior Hotel Gallia delivers a full luxury experience. From the lobby to the spa, from the rooftop bar to the breakfast benefit, and from the gym to the room, everything is designed with comfort and care in mind. This is the kind of hotel that makes your stay in Milan even more memorable. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one. Peace.